Hello and welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be creating this beautiful silver diamond rhinestone candy jar. You can use it as a storage jar. You could take the lid off and use it as a flower vase. So, on your kitchen counter, you can put little, knickknacks to hide. It's such a beautiful, beautiful container to work with. All glassware was purchased from the thrift store, which is the Value Village that we have here in Canada. All the pieces I did purchase from, as I said, from the Value Village store. The decor, the glitter, you can see that, you can pick that up at Amazon. No, Amazon. And also Dollartree, Dollarama. The decor at the top, the white decor, was from Amazon, and if you look inside, you see a little bit of sparkle. I just love sparkle. So if you would like to see how to work on this item, please continue watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to the video. so here is the finished look. Such a beautiful, beautiful piece. This, you can use this as a storage jar, cookies, candies, or flower vase with the lid off. You can do it without the diamond sticker, or you can also use the large diamond sticker at you can get these at Amazon, Dollartree or Dollarama. All the glasswares from the thrift shop, the thrift store, glitter from Amazon, and the white bling wrap also from Amazon. Okay guys, so here is the look inside with the glitter inside the base. As I said, all items from the thrift store. Okay guys, so this concludes this DIY video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I did a little bit of decor at the end, and you can also see 2 vases I did in a previous video. I will leave the link in the description box. Okay guys, thank you all so much. Take care, and I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye for now.